Hey guys, it's Emma the Creative Gem, back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing and opening the package of my first wig. So I'm going to be showing me opening it, me braiding my hair, and me trying it on. I am so excited. I've been waiting over 13 days or over 2 weeks to open this, so I'm finally going to open it, and I can't wait to try it out. So oh my god, I am so excited to open this. Let's get started. And just to let you know, all the information about my first wig, the kind I got, the length, the color, all that will be in the description box down below. How do you open this? Ooh, okay. Oh, this is a nice box. Oh, cool. It has the astrological signs on it. Coolio. This is very nice. This is what the box looks like. It says myfirstwig.com. All right. Quality wigs for beginners. All right. So let's open it up. Ooh, there's some other stuff in there. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm going to tell you guys what's in it. But this is the wig right here. I got 14 inches. So this is what it looks like. It came with a sealed package. All right, and the next is the Zodiac collection, My First Wig. So basically, it looks like it has different wigs based on your zodiac sign. I am a Sagittarius, so mine would be extroverted, brave, generous, and this is the wig they picked out for me as a Sagittarius right there. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Little kit. Oh my goodness. Ooh, it came with a mask. They gave me a mask. This is cool. It matches the astrological signs. I think it's disposable, but that's still pretty cool. It's still pretty cool. I'm gonna take it out the package. This is what it looks like. Isn't that a cool mask? It's a pretty cool mask. Unfortunately, they only gave me one, but that's all right. It's pretty cool. All right, and this must be the wig cap part or supplies for maintaining the wig and putting it on. So this is what the little pack looks like. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. What do we have in here? All right, so here's a clip. You use this, I believe, to clip the hair back while you're trying to put the headband wig on in the back. Here's another clip, so they give you 2 clips. Here is a comb right there. And my first wig, they gave me some bobby pins as well. So even though they gave me those bobby pins, I'm going to use the crimped. I like using the crimped bobby pins. I got the variety pack, small and large, and then I got jumbo. I like to use these to help secure my drawstring ponytails, to make sure, you know, I use the drawstring ponytail, I secure it, but I also use these bobby pins to secure it even better. So this is what I'm probably going to be using instead of the bobby pins. So the bobby pins tend to get bent and they tend not to stay, but these work really well with drawstring ponytails and wigs as well. All right, so this is everything that came in the box, aside from the wig. This is everything that came in the box, and I'm just gonna put this away because you are not watching the video for that. You are watching the video for this. So let's go ahead and open it. All right, and this is, it looks like this is the wig cap. So this is the wig stocking cap. I got mine in brown to match my scalp color. So I got my color in the brown. So here's the wig stand. It's super easy to construct. It looks like this. There you go. And just pop that wig right on there. All right, so the one I got is the COVERUPBYSELORM, something like the COVERUPBYSELORM. This texture is silky. It's 14 inches, and the hair color is natural hair color. So just Just to let you know, I'm going to put all that in the description box below, so you'll have that information, because I see a lot of people posting about the headband wings but not really telling like the length they got and all those details. So I will put all those details on the bottom. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, very nice. Very, very nice. I'm going to take the wig cap off of it carefully, because I'm not going to put it on right now. I do need to braid my hair, and once I braid my hair, do my edges, and put the wig cap on, I will do that. But for now, I'm just showing my reaction to this, and then later on I'll show you me applying the wig. Okay, so I'm just taking the wig cap off. It's a little tricky because I'm also trying to put it back exactly how I had it. So, so this is the hairband wig right here. This is the 14 inches. I didn't want to get something too long, or I wasn't quite sure what 14 inches look like, but this is what it looks like. So here you can see the wig, the side, and then the inside. It has these clips you use. So this is just, I'm just recording my first impression of this. I will show in natural light what it looks like, and I'll show you the clips and me trying it on as well. But for now, I'm just gonna show my reaction. I'm so excited. So yes, I will be braiding my hair, applying the wig, and you're gonna see that in 3, 2, 1. All right, so I'm about to braid this hair. I'm not gonna show the whole process. I'm only gonna show a little bit of it, and I'm not gonna talk during it. But this is what my hair looks like right now. Remember, I had that hairstyle just a second ago. So I just wrapped it real quick. Left the braids in because I had this wrapped around, but I left it in. And now I'm just gonna section it, wet it, and then just braid it up. I'm gonna actually preserve this current hairstyle. I'm gonna braid this back. I'm actually gonna make them like smaller braids so I can still keep the curls and still keep the poof in the back. And then this part, I think I'm simply just going to maybe braid up to and stick back. I'm not quite sure, but you'll see what I'm gonna do. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna braid this all up. And I'm not gonna talk during this. You're just gonna see me do it. And I'm not gonna show the whole thing. You're just gonna see bits and pieces of it. All right. So I finished braiding the back. That's what it looks like. And now I'm just gonna braid the front. All right, next thing I'm gonna do is pin my hair up. You see I did my braids in the back. Now I'm gonna pin that up. I think I'm gonna use these pins instead of regular bobby pins, so it really gets into the braids and really secures them. All right, so now I'm gonna do my edges. I'm gonna take my scarf off. So it's nice and smooth, as you can see. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to use Edge Booster or if I'm going to use Cream of Nature, Edge Control. They're both really good. I don't know, which one should I use? I think I'm going to use Cream of Nature. On there. Okay, so you can shape my edges. All right, so I did my edges right there. Gonna put my scarf on. And And then I'm gonna go do my makeup, and then I'll put the wig cap on, and then I'll put the wig on. All right, so I did my makeup, did my nails, did everything, and now I'm gonna take my scarf off. All right, so my hair is nice and smooth, as you can see. And now I'm gonna put the wig cap on. So here's the wig cap. Just gonna pop that on. Pull that back a little bit. So you can see my edges, like so. And there you go. And now I'm going to apply the wig. So here's the wig. Beautiful. I combed it out a little bit so I can get those curls nice and flowy. And now I'm going to apply the wig. So it has clips on the inside, as you can see. So I'm just going to take it and just take the first clip and put it in the front. And take this one, slide it under there. This one, slide it under there. And just slide it back a little bit. Fix the headband. So I did the strap in the back, just like that. So I'm gonna flip it over, push that headband back. And there we go. Let me style it real quick. Brush it out real quick. Really lightly. I got this headband from Primark. I'm gonna put that on. It's like a little crown. This is what the headband looks like. Super cute. And I just threw that on, like so. And was ready to go. Perfect. Love it. This is what the back looks like. The front. Oh my gosh, I am madly in love with this wig. Perfect for my birthday, which I celebrated today, my 29th birthday. Got so many compliments on it, so 10 out of 10. This is the best like wig ever. This is my first wig, but this is literally the best wig. I couldn't ask for a better wig. So thank you to My First Wig. Love this, and I definitely will be purchasing again. All right, so you've seen the whole process. I washed my hair, braided my hair, and got it ready for this wig. Like I said, I absolutely love this wig. This is the most perfect wig ever. Highly recommend. And thank you for watching. If you enjoy watching content like this, please like, subscribe, and of course comment, guys. Let me know how I'm doing and let me know what you think. Definitely will be purchasing this again, so stay tuned for another wig review. But until then, I haven't said this in a long time, but stay safe, stay home, and take care of yourself.